superb. I love the school. Everything is out of the expectation. So I will definitely recommend everybody to please come and raise and make your child bright. That's what I can
Thank
say.
you so much.
It was amazing. It was amazing.
All the best
Without
to you.
any
so much, ma'am.
advertisement or anything, we just came here to just
I had
try.
only met you.
Yes, and
that
then
branch also in this
Yes.
branch.
like we were also like we had experience in the past where we were thinking, okay, let's just try this. Just for a trial basis, we put him, but see, now he finished his senior KG here.
Great.
So we are very much happy with this race, and we are giving our best blessings. Like
Thank
this
you
school
so
will
much.
grow
Thank you.
more than senior KG.
Means a lot.
Because
Means
we
a lot.
want our kids to continue this with here.
Yeah.
So if any case in future something has happened with the race where they can get a chance to increase the school, we will definitely try to.
Thank you so much.
Because we are so much happy and satisfied, and we are seeing every day what our kid is doing.
Yes.
So that is something very we don't need to put more pressure from our side on in the house. Because we see whatever we want to teach him, it's already he's learning from the school. And within a very small time of period, the teacher was teaching so much. It's like we didn't expect that Hindi will be so much.
Right.
He learned till gear. So
Yes,
this is
yes.
something very much, I didn't even expect it. When other schools normally they start from first standard or second standard.
Yes.
So the race is doing, I don't know what syllabus they are following, but I'm very happy. Whatever they are following, it's like for the kids, even though they don't put more pressure also.
Yes.
They are balancing so nicely. The kids are happy to come to school.
Yeah.
Then he never said, Mama, I don't want to go. Because this is, I don't know what school is doing inside, what magic they are doing.
Thank you so much.
But this is something like I see. Sometimes they give a more homework, and in just, and after a few days they give a less homework. So this is balancing, not putting on more pressure, not even losing the kids. They just get relaxed. We don't have any homework. So they balance it so nicely.
Thank you so
That we are also very much satisfied.
Thanks a lot.
We
Thank you.
definitely gonna recommend this to school to our friends,
We
our
already did.
around
3-4 people are
Yes,
coming.
yes. We always give a good, like experience we share with them, so they are ready to do that. Even in our knowledge, 2-3 friends have already changed this.
Is it?
Yeah, they did it.
Okay.
So because we also say a lot about him. The most important thing for me
No,
was
the growth itself can be seen
Yes.
in their personality,
now he knows the table
Yes,
till 4-5.
yes.
That is something no school teaching. And the most important thing is Hindi. Nowadays teachers
Right.
or preschools are not focusing on the Hindi.
Right.
And then later they struggle.
Yes.
I saw the kids, they are taking the tissues. That is not required.
It's
If
not
this school
required. We are
continue, I don't
actually-
think so it is required.
We
Because in
recommend the
India,
parents
Hindi is
that
our language.
yeah, it's just 1 hour in a day the parents have to spend with the kids. The tuitions are not at all required because rest of the things we are covering.
Yes,
So
because
just that practice, that touch has to
Yes.
be there so that
and they have started early, so
Yes.
the kids will also remember.
Right,
Okay,
right.
oh, this is the thing which we have to continue.
concepts are clear
Yes.
basically.
Later, when you introduce or very late,
No, it
they
becomes
don't,
difficult.
yeah, actually. So that's why we are very much happy that they started Hindi also here. So we don't have to think, oh, we have to put him in a Hindi. Even though we are Indian, Hindi is our mother tongue.
Yes,
We should be, very much careful. कि हिंदी के लिए तो टीचर नहीं लेना है. But nowadays, the school is ignoring the Hindi. But that's a very good thing. That race is continuing that thing, and they are balancing the subjects, even the students' curriculum activities, the annual day, sports day, fancy dress, everywhere.
How was the experience at
It was
annual day?
very, very nice. We are very much excited. Whenever he goes in another class, we excited for the this annual day dance, because they don't only just do it for one dance, one song. They do a fusion, which we see in our time. Later, like when we were in 10th, 12th, that time we were seeing that we are dancing in a fusion dance. They learning. I was surprised when Vibe was dancing in a nursery class and doing 2 songs.
Yes.
And he remember all the steps. What magic plays do, I don't know. But
Thank you
I'm
so
very
much.
happy.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.